Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve this equation. We have to prove that this equation is equal to this equation. To do that, I will use the left hand side. So I will have sine x divided by 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x divided by sine x. Now I will obtain from these equations sine square x plus 1 plus cos x, or that square divided by 1 plus cos x times sine x. From this I will obtain sine square x plus 1 plus 2 cos x plus cos square x. We know that a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this is the expression we use to expand this expression. So this divided by 1 plus cos x times sine x. Now I will bring this and this together. So I will obtain sine square x plus 1 plus sine square x plus cos square x plus 1 plus 2 cos x divided by 1 plus cos x times sine x. Now I know that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This implies from this equation I will have 1 because these two will be equal to 1. I will have 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos x divided by 1 plus cos x times sine x. I will obtain 2 plus 2 cos x divided by 1 plus cos x times sine x. Factoring the 2 out, I will have 2 times 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x times sine x. This 1 plus cos x cancel this 1 plus cos x, and at the end I will obtain 2 divided by sine x. I know that 1 divided by sine x is equal to cosec x, so I will obtain 2 times cosec x. So this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something new today. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Ciao.